Hi sellers, welcome to this video on managing order notifications in Amazon Seller Central. In this video, you'll learn how to set up and edit your SMS and email notifications so you never miss an order. Updating SMS notifications. To get started, log into Seller Central. Go to Settings and click Notification Preferences. SMS alerts notify you when a product is sold and marked as ship, now under Order Notifications. To enable this, click Edit, check the box for Merchant Order Notifications, Sold, Ship Now, and click Save. Your registered mobile number appears by default. To update it, go to Merchant Default Contact, click Edit, enter the new number, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Continue. Enter the OTP sent to your new number and click Submit Code to save changes. Updating email notifications. Under Order Notifications, you can choose alerts for Merchant Order Notifications, Amazon Fulfillment Order Notifications, Multi-Channel Fulfillment Notifications, Inbound Shipment Notifications, Inbound Shipment Problem Notifications. By default, your Merchant Default Contact email is used. You can add up to 2 secondary users by clicking Edit, selecting Add Another, entering the email addresses, and clicking Save. That's it. Enabling SMS and email notifications ensures you're instantly informed about every new order, helping you avoid late shipments, cancellations, and maintain good account health. Thanks for watching and happy selling!